How are you doing? Hope you are keeping good. 3rd June was World Cycling Day. I just reminisce my childhood memories when I learned cycling on my father's bicycle, which was a 24-inch cycle. We used to learn first scratchy and then danda. Although the things are quite different now. So I thought of making a painting with a bicycle. If you like the idea, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing. So let's start. So I took a plyboard and gave it a base coat with a mixture of putty, Fevicryl and water. And then I am making a sketch of the painting with whatever I need in the painting. And now I have made frames of doors and windows with the help of cardboard. Then I took a polythene. If it is a bit stiff, then it's better, and pasted these cardboard frames on the polythene and then cut them. Now with the help of Fevicryl, I will paste these frames on the plyboard. And now with the help of homemade clay, I am making coils. Now start making the bicycle parts. I am making all the parts one by one. Now I'm making the basket. With the help of a cutter, I'm making grooves in it. And then I made rectangular window panes and making grooves in it with the help of a toothpick.
Then with the clay coils I made the fencing. Now I'm taking some clay and adding it on the window and also on the cycle basket for showing some flowers and leaves, plants on the basket. And with the help of a ball pen refill, I'm making some grooves in it to show flowers. Now again on the right side of the door, I'm making a planter. Near the fencing also I made some flowers and added. Then I took a waste packing of toothbrush and tried to make a lamp to paste it over the door. Now I'm coloring the whole of the clay part with white color. To give it a transparent look on the window panes and door panes, I have used glass colors. I've used light green, dark green and yellow to show the bushes near the fencing, and then brown color to show this planter on the window. When I learned cycling, my father bought me a Hero ladies cycle, red color. So I thought of giving red color to this bicycle also. I use pink and red for different flowers, and somewhere yellow also. I'm making the fencing with metallic copper. Then I mixed yellow ochre to lemon yellow color and making the walls of the house. I made bricks to give it a brick look. I made these with brown colors. Then here also I have given a tile look and shaded a bit with the help of white and yellow brown. And now I'm using grey color. Mix a little black with white. Using the same color for spokes of the bicycle. Then I thought of adding some bougainvillea branches above the door and window with the help of light pink and pink color. And now thought of adding some beautiful words to my painting. First I wrote it with pencil and then used color. Life is a beautiful ride, isn't it? And it's about to complete. So if you like it, do give beautiful comments and give it a thumbs up. And it's done.